viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, English with Carol. Today I want to let you know about the literature set books that are required for you to learn, emphasize on, and then you will excel in your English Paper 3 Kcse. If you're a Kenyan, these ones are compulsory and optional set books that you'll prepare for in your English final exam, the Kenya examination, the one that you do, the one that you sit for, the Kcse. That means you will have to be very competent with with all of these books, but I'll show you how to maximize your potential. That's why I have said, let me do this video. Some have been asking, we are doing these books, our school does these books, and we've not seen our teachers emphasizing on these books. No, worry not. Do not panic. I'm here to make sure that you know exactly what you're preparing for your final exam. So, come along with me. Now, you can see I have 5 books here. Do you see that? 5 of them. That is how wide English is. But you have what you call the compulsory set books. The compulsory set books are here. That is Fathers of Nations by Paul B. Vita. I hope you can see. I know you have been reading this book. I even have videos that I have been doing of this book. This one is a compulsory set book. That means every Kenyan candidate at the end of this year will sit for this book, will encounter this book. Because you say we normally have what you call the paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. So you can find this book as an excerpt. This year, you will be preparing for an excerpt for your Kcse, Fathers of Nations by Paul B. Vita. And I have been discussing this. Please look out for my previous videos. You will see that I have done this book. The other compulsory book that every Kenyan candidate must have read, thoroughly analyzed, is The Samaritan. Oh, sorry, I did not mention. This one is a novel. Fathers of Nations is a novel by Paul B. Vita. This one is a play from the rest of the world. This one is John Lara's The Samaritan. It's a compulsory set book. That means this year, if you're a candidate, you are sitting for it as an essay. So you will learn how to write a compulsory essay that you will do. That is paper 3. You will find this question here as an essay. If you're in Form 3, it interchanges. That means if you find Form 4s doing this essay as a Samaritan, then you will find out that the Form 3s will do it as an excerpt. That is what happens. So that is these 2 compulsory set books. That is the novel, Fathers of Nations, and this one is the play, The Samaritan. And I have done previous videos of these books. You can have a look at them. Now, there is someone who asked me, where does A Silent Song, Artists of the Floating World, Parliament of Alls come in? This is where it comes in. Listen very carefully, because I need you to understand. When you're preparing for your final exams, you do it in a smart manner. These 3 books here, this one is the short stories, A Silent Song and Other Stories by Godwin Siundu. This one is found in paper 3. Question 3. We normally have question 3, A, B, and C, that you will find these 3 books. You'll only choose one of them. You'll not do all of them. So you can specialize. You can read all of them, but when you'll be sitting for that exam, remember you will choose only one of these. So we have A Silent Song, that is short stories. If you're good with short stories, make sure that you do it, have it, analyze it, and look out for my next video, because I will be analyzing this one here. And then you can also, if you love the element of novels, a lengthy story, this is a book for you. An Artist of the Floating World by Kazuo Ishiguro. It's a good book. Have a look at it. Specialize it in it, because it's also it will also appear as a question, but we have said you will have to make a choice on which one you love. So look at that. If you find it easier, go for it, enjoy it. And then the last one in my hands here, last but not least, if you're someone that loves action on stage, this is the book for you. Parliament of Owls. This one here by Adipo Sidang is a story, is a play. The story is about owls. This one has, if you love politics and you make a follow-up on politics, this is the book for you. If you love general family affairs and lengthy stories, this is the book for you. If you want exposure of the English language and varieties of stories, this is the book for you. Now, did you learn something? Did you enjoy the lesson? So thank you for being here. Please share my content, share. Look out for my next video, because I'll be looking at A Silent Song and Other Stories. I've been looking at Setbooks. Please continue sharing my content. I'm a qualified teacher of English with over 18 years of teaching experience. So I'm not here to give you stories that are not real. I'm a highly qualified teacher. We've been learning. So many of my students are in these platforms. And thank you for being here. Bye. Share my content.